I don't think I've ever seen this much snow in Louisiana in my life. They've really got people out here driving in this.
As Winter Storm Enzo continues to leave its icy mark on the Gulf Coast, the sheer weight of its impact is undeniable. Families huddle together in darkened homes, bracing against the bitter cold, while streets that once buzzed with life now lie silent under a thick, unforgiving blanket of snow. For many, this storm has brought more than just inconvenience. It has brought fear, isolation, and loss. The images are haunting. Cars abandoned on icy roads, once vibrant neighborhoods now frozen in time, and the flickering glow of emergency lights cutting through the gloom. Schools, businesses, and communities have come to a standstill, grappling with a reality that feels both surreal and overwhelming. For those who have lost loved ones or seen their homes damaged, the heartbreak is profound. The roads that should lead to safety are treacherous, and the warmth of home feels like a distant memory. Each snowflake, each gust of icy wind seems to carry with it the weight of uncertainty and sorrow. And yet, amid the darkness, there are glimmers of hope. Neighbors helping neighbors, first responders working tirelessly, and communities coming together to face this unprecedented challenge. The road to recovery will be long and difficult, but the resilience of the human spirit remains unshaken. As we navigate the aftermath of Winter Storm Enzo, let us hold onto hope, remembering that even in the coldest and darkest of times, warmth and light can still be found. For those affected, our hearts go out to you. We stand with you, and together we will weather this storm. Stay safe, stay strong, and take care of one another.